What's up? This is Absolut Drinks. This is your boy Rico, and today we're gonna make an Appletini. We're gonna take the small tin from the tin-on-tin shaker, and we're gonna start to add our ingredients. We wanna add the cheapest ingredients first. We're gonna take our apple mousse. We want roughly around 23, 24 ml. Gonna take some lemon juice, around about 20. Some simple syrup, we want about 20 ml. Next, we're gonna take some Apple Liqueur, some pomme vert. Use your favorite Apple Liqueur, there's no real rules to this one. About 23, 24 ml, straight in. Then, the good stuff, it's the Absolut Vodka. 45 ml. Ice. Take your larger tin. Ready to shake. Gonna take our Hawthorne strainer. Ooh. Gonna take our fine strainer. There we have it. Have we got a garnish for this? We don't have a garnish for this. That's good, because apple garnishes are shit anyway. Apple martini. Absolut Drinks. Rico. Rico.